Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'll butterfly this chicken and show you how I'm going to cook this. Very easy and quick way to cook the chicken. So here I've got a sharp knife and I'm going to cut the chicken just down like that. So you need a sharp knife. So just like that. Just cut down like that and then flip. So just give the chicken a bit of a push just down there. Just like that. So here we go. The chicken is nice and butterflied. So I've got an oven tray which I'm going to bring the chicken, just put it in the oven tray like that, and I'm going to season the chicken for now. I've got this garlic powder, guys. So this is going to be a very lemony seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, another all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, and some mixed herbs. I'm just adding a bit of chicken seasoning also, about half a cup of lemon and some oil. Now just mixing this, guys. So I'm going to marinate the chicken now. Just put this on the chicken. So now I'm going to marinate the chicken, guys. Just put this on the chicken. Just a lot of it. Just make sure the chicken is all seasoned. Just brush this with, So now just going to flip the chicken. Alright guys, I'm going to put in the oven, cook in the oven for about 45 minutes, and I'll come back and show you how the chicken looks.